हर कोई बकेट लिस्ट की बात करता है, द लिस्ट ऑफ अमेजिंग थिंग्स यू वांट टू डू बिफोर यू डाई। बट लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, मेरे हिसाब से हमारी प्रॉब्लम isn't too few options, it's a lot of them. So I believe in something better, making a reverse bucket list. Not a list of what you want to chase, but a list of something you never want to waste your time on in your entire life. Normal bucket list is just a list of things maybe the society wants you to do. अगर तुम्हारी अच्छी जॉब लग गई, the society would want you to do buy a house, buy a car, and they can be a part of your bucket list. But are they really a part of your dream? A lot of must-do things that you write in a bucket list are borrowed from someone else's dream. They aren't innate to you. Your bucket list might contain things like buying a car, buying this sports car, buying luxury watches, living in luxury villas, taking trips to Maldives. But a lot of these desires aren't your own. तो तुम्हारे अंदर इंट्रोड्यूस किए गए हैं by external factors, by the YouTubers you watch who lives in Dubai and is flashing his high income. कोई रैंडम यूट्यूबर जो कि अपनी स्पोर्ट्स कार फ्लेक्स कर रहा है, वो सारे ड्रीम तुमको वहाँ से आए हैं. These aren't your innate goals. Maybe they are, if they are good. But if they aren't, try to make a reverse bucket list. A reverse bucket list helps you achieve clarity by elimination. Instead of asking what else do I need, you need to ask yourself what else can I live without. Reverse bucket list actually में है क्या? It's just a list of things that you would never want to do in your life. आप इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें लिख सकते हो. For example, validation chase करना from other people, being around friends that drain my energy. It can be giving your attention to people who don't actually deserve it, working a job that you don't actually like just because it pays well, spending years waiting for the right moment. These can all be a part of a reverse bucket list, and once you have a reverse bucket list, तुम्हारे माइंड में ये चलता रहेगा. There will be a conscious effort your mind would put to avoid doing these things, and this would help you to achieve more happiness and fulfillment in your life. What are the benefits I'm going to get from doing this? Clarity से तुमको freedom मिलती है. A fewer wrong turns implies more time for the right ones. अगर तुम्हारे माइंड में consciously चल रहा है कि तुमको क्या नहीं करना है, you're not going to put an effort into that, and that's going to save energy which तुम डाल सकते हो to something that you actually want to achieve and live a very happy life that way. A bucket list chases breadth, while a reverse bucket list तुमको डेप्थ प्रोवाइड करती है अपनी वैल्यूज़ की, अपनी फाउंडेशंस की, जिससे तुम आगे जाके एक प्रॉपर स्टांस ले सको अपने लिए. ये तुमको एक पीस ऑफ माइंड भी देती है. यू कैन रेस्ट knowing that you are aware of what you don't want to do and you're not spending or wasting your efforts into doing that. Now, a step-by-step method मैं तुमको दूंगा to create this list. Like, how do I actually create it? Take a blank page and write at the top things I refuse to do. Now, sit down with yourself and think about past regrets. कि past में ऐसा मेरे साथ क्या हुआ है जो कि मैं regret करता हूँ. Maybe I said no to an opportunity क्योंकि मेरे को लग रहा था कि बाकी लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे. Just think along these lines and you'll be able to get that. उसके बाद तुम उन चीज़ों के बारे में सोचो जो कि सोसाइटी पुश करती है. Getting a job, normal job, career, buying a house, then buying a car, starting a family, and then just retiring at 60. Think to yourself which one of these things are just meaningless to you. Keep this list short, raw, and personal. ये लिस्ट को तुम जितना छोटी हो सके उतनी छोटी रखो. Only have the most non-negotiables of your life in this list. और जब भी तुम लाइफ में ऐसा लगे तुम भटक रहे हो, just have a look at it. It will give you peace. It will help you think better. एक reverse bucket list एक बहुत बढ़िया filter की तरह काम करती है. In life, we are sad not because we don't have enough time, but it's because we spend so much time on things that we don't actually want. अगर तुम define कर सकते हो कुछ चीज़ें जो कि तुम कभी नहीं करोगे, your life is just going to go in the right direction. अगर तुमने यहाँ तक की वीडियो देख लिया है, go to the comment section and write one thing from your reverse bucket list. एक चीज़ जो कि तुम कभी नहीं करना चाहोगे लाइफ में. You'll be surprised about how so many people feel the same way. If you felt कि मेरी advice तुमको थोड़ी सी अच्छी लगी, I'm currently building a journal that's up for pre-sale right now. I'm trying to have many reflective prompts in it. So if you want to buy, you can buy it from the top link in the description.